Hello everybody. If your child's age is 4 or 5 or is reading in a primary school or primary level, you should teach your children English pronunciation so that he or she can read English on their own from the academic beginning. So let's start. Here two letters EA make the sound E. Sh E she t shit. R E re d rit. L E li v leaf. R E re p E p repeat. P E p t fit. Repeat. Pl P L pl E A E pl E please please. T E T ch teach. B E B no bean. Cl E clee no clean. H E he t hit. Dr E dream dream. STR straw. E straw E stream stream. Sp E speak speak. Cr E cream cream. L E lead lead. M E me law meal. L E leash leash t list. E no in Cr crow. E A E crow E crease increase. Thanks everybody.